Welcome back, guys. And suppose while using the mobile and we are using the internet, and we are most of us are having the limited amount of mobile data, 1 GB data, 1.5 GB data for whole day. If we are using that internet through mobile data, suddenly we feel that we have no data at all the data we have consumed less than 6-7 hours in a day. So in that case, in this tutorial or video, I am going to tell you some hidden tips and tricks. Not hidden, it is known to everybody, but I will tell them sequentially how to do that. So welcome back, guys, in my YouTube channel. And if you have not subscribed this channel, please consider to subscribe this channel for these type of hand information. So not wasting much of your time, just coming to the first, go to the WhatsApp. Here just go to the WhatsApp, go to the three dots, then go to the settings, and here you will see storage and data. Then here, when using mobile data, just untick all. So what is happening, if anybody sends to us a photo, audio, video or document, that will be downloaded using mobile data. So if we untick this, that will not happen, and we will save mobile data. So apart from data, we can save the battery also. That will be the additional benefit. And we can also select use less data for the calls for that purpose. So this was the first one. This was regarding the WhatsApp. Now we will go to the YouTube and see what we can do to the YouTube. So just we went to the YouTube and just take here this, and then go to the settings, then go to the 1 minute video quality preferences. Here you have been seen that this is the default streaming quality of all videos. We can change it. So now for mobile data, we will use data saver mode. So this is we can do for YouTube. So while using YouTube, we can save the data. Then we will go to the Play Store. See what we can do in the Play Store. Go to the Play Store, then go to the profiles, and here go to the settings, then go to the network. Here three type of preferences are there: app download preference, auto update apps, auto play app. We should change the setting. So we will go to the first, change it as over Wi-Fi only, or ask me every time. Then don't auto update app, this is good, and autoplay, don't autoplay, this is good. So you can select this. I am selecting that because right now I have to tell. So you can select those options, means ask every time. So this was the third. Then auto update, it was off. We have seen that. Go to the here once again I will setting, then network preferences. Here don't auto update apps, don't auto play videos, this is off. So this is good, the mobile data will be saved. Now we will go to the Google Photos. This is consuming a lot of mobile data. So go to the Google Photos. Here go to the profiles, then go to the settings, not settings. Here go to the waiting for connection. Here if backup is on, we have to deactivate. So go to the here, go to the profile setting, then backup and syncs. Here backup is on, we should turn it off. Upload photos when we want, then we will allow. So this was the fourth setting. Now the fifth setting, go to the Chrome, double press it, go to the I, here I. Now go to the mobile data. Here now this allow background data uses and allow data uses while data server is on. This should be on, so made it off. This was regarding Chrome. Now we will go to the Facebook. Just long press it, go to the here and mobile data. Allow background, no, will not allow background data uses. Then now any application which are being used by you very frequently, go to the app info by pressing that icon, and then do the same as we have done earlier. So these are the 6-7 tips by which we can save the data. This is valid for all Samsung mobile as well as Android mobile. So if you like the video, please consider to subscribe this channel. Please pass on this to your friends and family on social media platform, so that they can also be get benefited. Thank you very much.